Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Healing Zully. Today, I'm excited to share with you a powerful solution to a very common issue: stress and anxiety. As a certified healer, I'll be discussing how the emotion code can help you let go of these emotional burdens. If you're experiencing any symptoms of stress or anxiety, I invite you to book a session with me. I'm here to support and guide you on your healing journey. Let's dive in and explore the transformative power of the emotion code together. Let's dive deeper into the topic: how emotion code helps you let go of stress and anxiety. What is the emotion code? The emotion code is a holistic healing approach developed by Dr. Bradley Nelson. It's based on the idea that trapped emotions can cause physical, emotional, and mental distress. The emotion code uses a simple, non-invasive technique to identify and release these trapped emotions. How does the emotion code work? Here's a simplified overview. 1. Muscle testing. A certified practitioner uses muscle testing to identify trapped emotions. This involves asking yes/no questions and observing the body's response. 2. Identifying trapped emotions. Once a trapped emotion is identified, the practitioner determines the underlying cause, such as a past traumatic event or a negative thought pattern. 3. Releasing trapped emotions. The practitioner then uses a magnet or other tool to release the trapped emotion. This is done by running the magnet along a governing meridian, an energy pathway in the body. How does the emotion code help with stress and anxiety? Releasing trapped emotions can help alleviate stress and anxiety in several ways. 1. Reduces emotional baggage. By releasing trapped emotions, you can lighten your emotional load, reducing feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. 2. Calms the mind and body. The emotion code can help calm the nervous system, reducing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. 3. Improves emotional resilience. By releasing trapped emotions, you can develop greater emotional resilience, making it easier to cope with challenging situations. 4. Enhances self-awareness. The emotion code can help you better understand the underlying causes of your stress and anxiety, allowing you to make positive changes in your life. Benefits of the emotion code. Some benefits of the emotion code include: reduced stress and anxiety, improved emotional well-being, enhanced self-awareness, increased energy and vitality, better sleep quality, improved relationships. Overall, the emotion code offers a powerful, non-invasive approach to releasing trapped emotions and alleviating stress and anxiety.